Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and in front of me is the Nasdaq 100 futures chart. Just before I start today's video, I'd just like to apologize for not posting any videos last week. I was on holiday. In fact, I think it was the first time since I started this YouTube channel, which was two to 3 years ago, that I've taken a week off. So apologies for not posting videos, but I'm back in the office now for the foreseeable future. But as I mentioned, in front of me is the Nasdaq 100 futures chart. We're currently trading up at 15,032, slightly in the green for the day. Starting to show signs of fatigue here in the Nasdaq 100. We've been hovering around this 15,000 level. Some would argue that's because it's a large psychological figure, but I would argue that I personally believe that we are starting to show signs of fatigue, and as well as that, we are entering a very bearish time of the year. End of August, especially going into September, which historically speaking is the worst month for the stock market in terms of performance. I think that we are in for at least a 5% correction here, especially within the tech stock. So I continue to be sitting on my sideline to many of yours frustration. I know that many of you are thinking, come on Max, take some action here, at least be a buyer, at least be a seller. But I'm going to continue to be patient, and I'm quite happy with how I've traded over the past month by not trading. Sometimes not trading is trading, because the market hasn't really done much. It's been bouncing between 15,200 and 14,900. It's only really a 300-point zone, so it's not much money in that little bounce back and forth. So I am happy to be on the sidelines here, and my first point of entry will be the 50-day EMA, as this circle and arrow suggests. If we break down below the 50-day EMA and go towards a 200-day EMA, then I will add a significant amount of more money on that 200-day EMA and trade up towards the the previous all-time highs, about 15,200. I'm very bullish for the Nasdaq 100. I do believe that we have become a little bit overextended in the past month or so, and there are some very high market valuations. But that being said, these tech companies continue to perform outrageously well. Some companies bringing in more than 100 billion per quarter with a 90% growth. It's incredible. The likes of Apple, for example. So I am bullish here, but I'm going to wait for that perfect buying opportunity and that value.